Hello everybody, this is Tracy and welcome to Tracy Has Plans. So this channel is brand new. This is a planner channel. I will be sharing planners and planner stuff on here. I have been on YouTube for many years doing crafts, and my YouTube channel is Mrs. TLC1 in case you're interested. But I just decided to share my planners on this channel, okay? So that's enough about me for now because I know you came for the planner. What I have here is an A5 Traveler's Notebook. It is by Foxy Fix, and it is the sugar coconut leather. And what I have here on the front is blind embossed Joy, and then the Fox and Pip bow blind embossed on the spine. The stitching is white, the elastics are dark gray. I have these bows on the top in here that I got from Sugar and Ivy on Etsy. Okay, I made that bookmark myself, and down here I have some planner tails, or using my bookmarks or decorations that I created myself. Alright, so without further ado, let's see what's inside. This is a flip through. Alright, so I used the Planner Society kit for May 2019, the newest one, for this planner. She included these lace pages, and I cut it in half, laminated it, stuck it in the pockets. Alright, so right here, this little clip came with the kit, this little card, I think journaling cards or just cards. I also used her digital kit too, and with the digital kit I created this July little calendar that I stuck in here. This little bow clip is by 3 Glitter Peas. Oh, a side note, I am new at this, the planner video, so I probably will forget some shops or just not remember names. If you have questions, I didn't mention it, please do ask in the comments and I will answer, okay? Alright, so I have some acetate here that I got from either Michael's or Joann's. I added a T, my initial. I got that from Michael's. Here I printed this lady on vellum. I don't remember where I got her from, but it was Etsy. If you want to know, just ask and I'll find out. And I put her in a clear dashboard. All of my inserts are, all of them except for one, are from the 1407 planners because I love their inserts, and I really do not like printing and cutting my own inserts. They never come out right, and I just don't like it, so I buy them. So that's where I get them from. I won't be showing you all of the, I'll show you what the inserts look like, but I do have some personal things in there, so you won't see the exact page that I'm on. Alrighty, so this is, I covered all of my inserts with the paper from the collection and added some lace and a journaling card here. This lace came from a pocket that she included in the kit. I just cut it off. This is the monthly insert here, and that's the back. So I have a image that I printed and cut and laminated. I don't like waiting for things to come in the mail for weeks that it often takes for planner things. So I print and cut my things. I'm a digital girl, digital all the way. So that's what I do. And this is what I cut and laminated, and I put this on with the repositionable glue dot so that I can take it on and off, because she has been in quite a few planners of mine. Let's see, so here I got this vellum paper. I printed it out on vellum, but I bought the image to make the paper from, where did I get it from? MJ and Hope. Okay, so I really like that. Then here is just a perpetual calendar, I guess that's what you call it, and I just like to have that so I can look ahead really quickly, and that's in a clear dashboard. Paper from the collection on the back. This insert's covered with paper again, lace from a pocket, and a card. This is my weekly insert, and this is what that looks like. I just started using the vertical. I usually use horizontal, but I wanted to try something different, so that's what I've started for this month. This is a bookmark, a page marker that I created. I used the Today from the kit, paper from the kit, one of the TPS pockets that was not in the kit, but I purchased that separately. And this month she added these pen holders to her kit, so I have that there with a Pen Gems pen that matches. That's the back, another card, and in the pocket I like to keep my everyday stickers. Like this is a garbage one. I have my recycling and just things that I use all the time I keep in there. Okay, so let's see. Here's the back of that. Whoops. And right here is a cup tower that I created with TPS files, and this has been in a lot of planners too. Here with the digital kit, I created this dashboard from the collection. Then here, more paper from the collection. This is how I feel. Just waiting on fall, y'all. Fall is my favorite season. I love fall. I have no use for summer. I'm already sick of summer. I'm just waiting on fall. So that's why that is there. And I got that from, oh my goodness, where did I get that from? I believe Maker Do or Mama from Etsy. And then here I have a digital image from TPS, and this girl is from Jameson Reed Designs. When I first started using Traveler's Notebooks in January, I've been planning for years, but I just started using Traveler's Notebooks in January. And when I first started that, I ordered these die cuts from Jameson Reed, and I really like her things, and she didn't really take that long, like 2 weeks, you know, bad enough, but whatever. So I added that there, and this insert is my spending tracker. I used this for a couple of months and then I took it out. It is back. It was a big fail because I just did not keep up with it. I think I probably just spent too much too quickly and I couldn't keep up, but my spending has been reduced tremendously. So I think it's going to be a little easier to keep up, and that's what I'm going to try to do. I haven't written anything in it because today is July 1st and I have not bought anything yet. See, I'm doing so good, right? Okay, so that's the back of that. Now here is the insert that I got from Annie Plans. And the reason I have this, it's smaller, is just because I don't think that she has A5s. When I was looking, I didn't see any. So I got the K-Air, I don't know what it's called, but it's smaller. And I figured that's fine because just as long as I could write in it, it will work. And this is shop coupon codes, okay? So this is what it looks like. I love it. It has a shop name, code discount, And before I started using this, I had discount codes everywhere on pieces of paper, pieces of post-it notes, notepads, just wherever. Now I can have them. I have them all in one spot, and that is a great help. Back of that, this here I got from, this is vellum, but it doesn't look like vellum because I have paper on the back of it, but I printed it out on vellum. I got it from Justinia's Printables. Not sure. Now, I bought a few of them and I received some free. So I'm not sure if this was free or I bought, but it came from there. Okay, and I love it because it has the coffee, the traveler's notebook, and the pen, all things that I really love. So that's that. On the other side, more paper from the collection. This is a dashboard that I got from Jameson Reed Designs, and I love it, and it just came already made. That's the back. I have another girl from Little Magic Prints, and another TPS die cut that I laminated. This is my crafty insert that I made myself, and all it is a crafty to-do list. I put the date and I write things that I want to do for the month. So that is that. That's the back of that. This is the back of the dashboard here. I just added some of the cutouts from the TPS sub box for May. Just added those there, and then that's the back of that dashboard. Now here is another insert that I made myself, and this one is for swaps. This is the paper that I printed out another Jameson Reed girl, another TPS cutout, and this is a cutout that I printed, and this came from, I believe it came from Spirit Bin, but no, it didn't come from Spirit Bin. Where did it come from? I think that was Maker Do a Mama too. But I really like it because it is so important to protect your piece. You know, people, circumstances, all kinds of things can put your piece in jeopardy, and it's important to protect it. So, and I'm always determined to do that. So I really like that. All right, so this is my swap insert that I created, and it's kind of rough, like the paper is really thin and stuff, but I made it in January when I first started, and it works. I will use it until it is done, and then I'll do better. So all I did was just put information about my swaps, and I fill it in whenever I do a swap. Okay, that's the back of that. Here is another vellum print that I believe came from Justinia's Printables. Not sure, but I think it came from there. All right, more TPS paper, and this girl is from the Honeybee Shop, and I love her. She is so adorable. So I just put her on here, printed her out, laminated her, and she's there. Now this is the last insert I have, and it's just a list insert, and I think it's so cute because of the hearts. I always have a list running, so I put it on here, and that's that. This is the back of that one, and this is another dashboard that I printed out from TPS. The back of the vellum, not vellum, but acetate from the front. And then the back cover has that laminated lace. We have another girl from Jameson Reed. She's a planner girl. It says planner girl. She has her planner and her coffee. And then I have this little post-it note from the TPS kit that I really love, so I put it there. And that is the end. That is my A5 Traveler's Notebook, and I love it. It is just so functional and just decorative enough, but not too overwhelming for me, and I love it. Okay, so you guys, thank you so much for stopping at my channel and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Like I said, this is a brand new channel. I have 0 subscriptions at this point. I'm just going to put this video up, and those who are interested will subscribe. I trust. So yeah, if you want to see more of my videos, like I said, subscribe, come back. I will have more. I have another planner that I use for journaling that I plan to put up, and just whatever I do as far as planning goes. All right, so everybody have a great day, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.